Did you know there's a place in France where the earth itself is still trying to kill you? Over a century after World War I ended, it's called the Zone Rouge, 1,200 square kilometers of forbidden land. The soil is so poisoned with arsenic and lead that nothing can grow. Entry requires protective gear, or you could die. Every spring, something terrifying happens. The ground literally spits up death. Farmers call it the iron harvest. Tons of unexploded shells surface naturally through freeze and thaw cycles. Shells filled with mustard gas, phosgene, chemical weapons that can still kill. Cleanup crews have died just handling them. Some areas won't be safe for human life for another 700 years. The French government estimates it will take 3 more centuries just to clear the unexploded ordnance. This is Europe's most enduring environmental disaster, a scar on the earth that refuses to heal. Over a century later, the Western Front is still claiming victims. The war may have ended, but the killing never stopped.